Hey, AP statisticians, I know it's late. I just want to give you a couple updates. Instead of send you a bunch of messages and reminders, it's going to be one video. Won't be too long, I promise. I want to update you on a couple things from Canvas. So you're going to have a quiz. You can access that quiz in two spots. You can go under assignments. It says Unit 1 quiz, multiple choice, and Unit 1 quiz, FRQ, free response. The multiple choice question, there's also one numeric entry. That'll be scored when you submit it. You get one submission. So take your time, be careful on your answer choices. If you need to refer to some notes or book problems or any other questions that you've seen before to kind of help you out. The free response question, you have to submit your assignment. So you're going to see the question, you're going to write down the parts A, B, C, D, give yourself plenty of space, as much space as you need, and then you're going to just do it on paper. And then when you submit it, you can choose how you want to submit it. So it can be like media, if it's a upload a media photo, preferably that. You can do a file if it's a picture, as a PDF if you're able to scan it from your phone. Make sure it's clear and I can read it, because I do need to be able to print those out and score them, okay? So let me know if you're having any technical issues on that, but those are going to be on Canvas, not Sapling, not AP Classroom. Remember, there is an AP Classroom assignment, so make sure you do that. That's review. Now, what are you going to do after the quiz? When we log into class, I'm going to make sure you get all on the quiz. I'm not going to do that synchronously with you, so you're not going to stay on the class for that. But what you will do after you finish with the quiz and before you come to class next period. So guys, if you are in A day, that means by Friday, and B day, I'm going to need this done by Tuesday after Labor Day, since that's when I'll have you. You're going to click on How Did I Do? And you're going to print off or write down the question number for this PDF. And I'm going to upload a video and a Sapling assignment. I'm going to want to make sure that you do the video, watch the video when I upload that, and complete the work for the notes by looking at the video and writing down the notes from there. So I expect that to be done the class period that you come back. So A day, that video should be watched and notes taken by Friday the 4th. B day, that video should be watched and notes taken by Tuesday the 8th. And then what we'll do after that is I'll have the Sapling assignment ready for you to go and work on. Give you a little bit of time to start it in class. That way, if you have some questions, you can address that. And then we'll just go from there. So I wanted to give you those updates. Remember, you need to get on the College Board, AP Classroom, and give me a second here while this loads. Make sure as a review, you complete the progress check. Unit 1 progress check, MCQ Part A. I see some of you have already submitted it, so that's awesome. Make sure everybody gets that done before you do the quiz so you get some good multiple choice practice. And one last thing. In the last class, I did not get a chance to go over the second of those free response questions that I had posted. I have not done a video for them, but if you go back to the last class period, where the review, I do have an answer key posted to that. So you can see it worked out and some of the things that we discussed on there, as well as the second one if you want to read through that so you get a little bit more understanding of some of the things like the IQR rule and the outliers, and just comparing means and medians and different things like that. So I will let you go. Please, we'll talk a little bit more about this in class, but if you see this video before you get to class tomorrow or Friday, know that you can start accessing your quiz, and it's going to be due by I say the end of the week, so I don't have a timestamp on it, so just make sure by the end of the calendar week that it gets submitted so that I can put that grade in. All right, y'all have a great rest of your evening, and I will see you in class. Thank you.